This is the story of Chief Uzwem, a well-respected chief in the society, and his sons and daughters, Chinoye and Madabuchku. Don't worry about the rest. We are more interested in the two who believed that they were born for more and that their voices can shift generations.
Chief, take it easy now.
We went to organize so.
You don't just yesterday.
Welcome, madam.
Teresa, my friend, get out of this place. Go and home my children. You go soon waiting. By what time you are still cleaning? She never nearly lare. She house girl kick abo. Call my children for me. This house to
okay, sir. Okay, I dey come. I will call them.
Madabuchukwu, Dennis, Abigail, Success, Chineye, you should come. Your father wants to talk to you. We have a family meeting. It's been a while.
Onyashi.
Who be this?
I just say in a family meeting.
Family. Who you are? Who be family?
Not be all of us. They ask.
Now from here you come out. Oh yeah.
No vex.
The lare never in church.
No vex.
Family meeting.
No vex.
Family. Familiarity.
My children. I called you all today to decide your future. As you can see, I'm a very successful man. I am well to do. That's my father. And the Amaroshe onye mari nozo. Yana agoshi marozo. So if you see no bubble sauce no chakete, bukun kwado no. Ele unu je ka aga, unu ja regretting do no. Abi nanwa. Eyo bo nwa de opalam. Dona.
Pay attention, no.
Ije ka buru barrister.
The law.
Yeah, with the law.
The
She ka bu barrister because ego di na oru kini igwe organize da shaya. At any meeting. Chief Akpati ne mebu Chief Uzwem Zuminyi ni nwa ya bu barrister.
Kai.
It will never happen again.
No regard.
Good. That's my true son. Iyo bu Madabuchukwu. Ije ka bụ doctor. Ego dị n'ọrụ kenigwe.
Dokita.
Ị na-afele nwe n'ebe dị nọ na-enwe ego. Elenu ki nchọn ka ị na-enwe ego ịrụta anụ n'ọgwụ eje arụ n'ụlọ. Ya fa m ka azụ daba nọ.
Excess money.
Ebenukwu ka arụ n'ụlọ ọgwụ. Graduate now. Ya ba n'ọgwụ ka bido na
ego. When ways begin paying your father now,
Umutu na no be you shikoru.
We go treat am. We go just call you. You pull up.
Ya ke no gwa ni.
I don't buy medicine again.
Nwam. Ya mo si mani mo nye nyigwe. Ije ka arụ no ne bank, ije ka bụ no banker. Bank manager ke dị na agụ ego ya
Ego.
Yeah.
Okay, Dad.
How do we mabi? Eyo. Ije ka bụrụ engineer, name like in a shift nne. Nwa yi ni nala. Ka bụ engineer ya no ma electrical engineer ke ka bụ. Ego dash na ebe n'igwe.
You dey here?
Chinonye nwam.
Sir?
Tamoshi the soft, elekusi maru the neke.
Make a baby. Chichi.
Ife ka bụ ko ka bugira ke je ke fule egwe ne kuma.
Obodo nurse atonke.
Do ya doctor ni nurse. Uzwem. Una ni ka mami igwe. Ni ka bụ nurse Professional children. Ego you ke no. Mete ka ba ba no ni. Okay. Agbolo ni dawa. Okay. Nurse. You na-enwe yeshimenye igwe. Yeshimeni Igwe. So Nkachoro did can say Ijichanya da Igwe tie.
I don't even know who she resembles with this as busy.
Hey, you call he or she, you never know who is resemble. You never know who is resemble. A Kaboro military personnel. Yes, I'm in the Jinku so that Umwele Yamasha in the Chiban Igwe. Barrister Amposa. I'm in Amposa. Doctor didn't book a nurse in case someone in room up on. So yeah.
Husband.
I have decided these things because I know the way to success. And that is why I have decided to call you all today. Okay,
This boy, do not allow your father to finish or share. They may speak mammy.
I respect your decision. I respect your wisdom. But I believe I am born from more. You know me from childhood. Nka rufe maro na afwanya. Nka solve a problem in them maro. Nyanya no watch igbona me should be on television.
I make you spoil 15 inches. I mean 52. 42 inches. So my husband newly buy.
Father, what I'm trying to say, I want to be an inventor.
Oshike, inventor.
Inventor ma.
You drink.
Oh no, you're so much in fortune. No, fortune
Daddy, mommy, we think it's cool.
My nose.
Yeah, one of week I Jackie Cadwan.
Wow.
Huh?
I was sorry for no label. But the Charlie Campbell right.
Oshike.
I saw I do like that.
Lighter.
Oh, you been on a sugar.
But the Charlie Campbell like that.
Lighter.
Like that.
Like that, come on, Sanya.
That
It's right back and label. You got boy writer.
Kaboro, Kaka,
I want to be a writer to inspire people through stories. I believe I'm born for more.
Rubbish. Keni kunu na amo busa ne. Dikebu born for more, born for more.
If I become a nurse, I won't understand because that's not what I really want for.
Who told you that? In this our community, who have you seen that bought Venza?
Yeah, Venza.
Forgive me. That bought Venza with being a lighter, copywriter.
I know you guys will understand.
Listen to me. This is arrant rubbish. As your father, I have seen the four walls of this life. What an elderly man can see while sitting down. You cannot see it even if you climb the tallest Iroko tree. You will just waste your life. You will just waste your life. I assure you, both of you, you will just waste your life.
Madam Chuku, look at me.
I think that's enough. You just have to go. Just leave. But I've told you, you will waste your.
I want to be an inventor.
Come on, get back from
I
this
didn't even
See head.
I will work hard to make you guys proud of me.
After having a brief meeting with the children, Chief Ozuem believes that those two that said they were born for more are surely going to waste their life. Well, let's see how this works out.
Chief, get down. Chief, you know they tire. Now wow. See how my waist don't they pay me.
This big book, only one person will study the name of barrister. Just 2 years. Look at all the look. Just look at bad. 16 carryovers for only me. My father want me to become a lawyer because one of the chief insulted him because his son.
It's just about 4 years after that meeting. Frustration has started setting in already. On the first son that accepted to be a barrister, he has made 16 carryovers himself in less than 2 years in school.
If you just try it again, you will see what I will do to you.
And for the daughter that accepted to be a banker because the father wanted her to be a banker, she got a banking job after graduating from school and rose to become a manager after some years, but she's still not satisfied. She is frustrated in the banking sector, and as a matter of fact, she got so tired of the job that she had to just close her system and come back home and never return to the bank again. And she even became a laughing stock in the family house. quite painful not to follow your chosen path. Madabuchuku and Chinoye continued to follow their God-given path. Madabuchuku put all effort and he was trying to develop a clean water solar power pump, while Chinoye continued to write.
Local inventor Madwabuchuku Ozwem wins international award for his device that provides clean water to villages worldwide.
Chinonye Ozwem's latest novel has reached 1 million sales, inspiring youths across Africa.
Chief, relax.
Oh, mi friend then I go.
What of this my bag?
No sweet boy, matam pekonu we.
Go buy cellophane, but they look and say no too much. This is my dress.
While they were still preparing to go for burial, it will always be Teresa. She saw it on the news and ran to show Oga that Chineye and Madabuchuku has won an international award.
They talk about them, say they don't do something, they don't win something.
Wait, oh.
They don't do it.
My children.
No, we want out to go with it.
Nah, him.
Auntie Neye.
I need the woman. Look at, show them.
Look at your brother. Look at your sister.
Hey,
What did you do with your life?
Madu.
Eh? Is this the only thing you are born for? Come on, remove my husband's cap from your head. Nonsense.
You went to law school.
Hey,
You went to law school.
Hey.
You came back after 2 years. Listen to me. You came back from law school as this.
What is happening here?
Thank
Shut up. You are a true son of your father. These are my children. Come and sit with me. Sit with me.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
I am your firstborn.
You are a disgraceful first son.
You are
I sent you to law school only for you to return with 16 carryovers. And you became a drunkard afterwards. You started working in the bank and you just left one day. Cable engineer. I've not seen your result. These are my children. I knew that you would make this family proud. Two of you. From that day we had that discussion. It was intentional. That was to push you ahead in life.
Chief, not talk that one.
When you think about not talk, I
bet which the NTA go come interview us. The world need to see my face.
Teresa gasa je Saulo na no ku yum kweri then boom.
What say you?
The first this is the what again? The award for the lighter. The lighter monyenye. In fact I think it is in Rasa. Very good. Bagana ni o pa mi kere ka ni tizula. Munye wori lighter
Sometimes, God puts a dream in your heart that no one else can see. Always learn to follow God's plan and not just traditions. Discover your voice, your inner voice. Follow your true, God-given path. Stay focused and don't just stay on earth. Don't just exist. Live and understand that you were born for more, to make impact and to leave a legacy.
When I say excel, you say youth. Excel, youth, excel, youth. When I say born, you say more. Born, more. Excel youth, born for more. With the voices that open doors, they can raise the sound. Generation shakers all around. We are born for more. Hey, we on for more. For more, hey, born for more, hey. When I say excel, you say youth. Excel, youth, excel, youth. When I say born, you say more. Born, more, born, more. Excel, youth, born for more. We are the voices that open more. Voices that shift generations. Generations. Excel youth, we rise.